Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to be solving November 2022 University question paper under the subject Risk Management. This will be the very first part of our video series based on solving November 2022. Again, a very important video for all the TYBMS SEM 5 students. Okay, in this particular video, we are going to take up the first sum which was asked in the question paper. So let us see what was the question asked in this paper. Okay, the question reads out as expected losses are given in the table. The amount of loss is 2 lakhs, probability 0.2, 10,000 0.08, 0 ka 0.9. Find the fair premium if policy provides full coverage. Underwriting cost is equal to 10% of pure premium. Claims are paid at the end of the year. Interest rate is 10%. Expected claim cost is 600 and the fair profit is given as 5% of pure uh, premium. So now when such kind of question is given, the very first, just follow the steps. Okay, follow the step what we are going to do and we'll be able to solve any kind of sum which comes across this particular format. Now the very first step that you need to find is the pure premium. Okay, because everything is based on pure premium because 10%, 5%. So the very first thing what you need to find is pure premium. The formula for which is expected claim or pure premium is also known as expected claim, which is equal to submission, that is the total of loss value into the probability. Okay, loss value into the probability. Now the loss values are 2 lakhs, probability is 0.02, 10,000 into 0.08 and 0 into 0.9 is 0, so that we won't consider. Okay, so 0.2 into 2 lakhs plus 0.0 I mean 0.02 into 2 lakhs plus 0.08 into 10,000. So when we multiply them, we get 4,000 plus 800. Totals comes to 4,800. Okay, so that's the very first thing that we need to find pure premium. So we got the value as 4,800. Once we got the pure premium, the very next step is get the PV, the present value of expected claim. Okay, expected claim or pure premium. Okay, you can say either way of them. The formula is pure premium that we found upon 1 plus interest rate. Now, interest rate, if you can look here in the question, is given at 10%. So 1 plus interest rate, that will become 1 plus 0.1. So that will become 1.1 basically. Okay, pure premium was 4,800 upon 1.10. 10% is 0.10 and 1 was added, so 1.01 will be the value. So 4,800 divided by 1.10, the value that we should get will be 4,363.6360. It is non-terminating, so we take it at 0.63. Okay, step number 1 pure premium, step number 2 PV of expected claim. Okay, pure premium is nothing but expected claim. So first you found the expected claim, second step we found the PV of expected claim. That's step number 1. Now after getting expected claim ka PV, the next step is we need to find the underwriting cost. Now underwriting cost ka formula is underwriting cost is equal to underwriting cost percent. Underwriting cost ka percent given is 10% of pure premium. So underwriting cost percent into pure premium. Here it is given at 10%. So it will be 10% of pure premium, which is 4,800. So 10% of 4,800 comes to 480. Okay. So first step was find pure premium expected claim, then the PV of expected claim. Second step, we got the underwriting cost. That was underwriting cost percent into the pure premium. The next step, since we have got the underwriting cost, the next thing we need to find is the expected claim processing cost. Now it's given here the claim if it's adjustment number E paid is given, the expected claim cost is 600. So the expected claim processing cost is rupees 600. Once we get that, the next step is we need to find the expected administrative cost. Now the expected administrative cost formula is underwriting cost, which we already found as 480, plus claim processing cost, which we just now found as 600. So we add up both 480 plus 600, and the total that comes to will be 1080. That is the expected administrative cost. Okay, so we start with pure premium expected claim, get the PV of expected claim. That's part one. So we'll note down, I'll note down this as part one. Okay. Second, we need to find underwriting cost. We found that with the using formula. Then we had to note down the expected claim processing cost. We noted down that. Then we found the expected administrative cost, which is the addition of both. The next step is PV of expected administrative cost. We found the administrative cost. Now you need to find the PV. So very simple. Expected administrative cost divided by 1 plus interest rate. Interest was 0.1 or 10%. So expected admin cost was 1080. So 1080 divided by 1.10, we will get the value as 981.81. Okay. So now this I will name it as Roman number 2. This is my second value that I needed to get. First, we got the PV of expected claim. Second, we got the PV of expected administrative cost. Now, the next step, we are approaching to the last part basically. The next is find the expected fair profit. The formula is fair profit percent into pure premium. Now, look here, fair profit is given in the question as 5% of pure premium. So 5% of pure premium is 4,800. So 5% of 4,800 comes to 240. Okay. This was the important part in this case. So first step, we found pure premium. Second, PV of expected claim. Then underwriting cost, expected cost, and then we found the admin cost. Then we got the PV of admin. Then we found the expected fair profit. Next is, since we got the expected fair profit, next it will be PV of expected fair profit, which is expected fair profit upon 1 plus the interest, that is 0.1 again. So 240 divided by 1.10, which comes to 218.18. Okay, this is my third expected value or the PV. This is it. We just require these three values. Once we get all these three values, we apply into the final formula. Fair premium is equal to PV of expected claim, that is number 1, plus PV of expected administrative cost, which is Roman number 2, plus PV of expected fair profit, which is our Roman number 3. Okay. Once we add up, we will get a final value that will be nothing but find the fair premium. So 4,363.63 plus 981 plus 0.81 plus 218.18. When we add up, we'll get a final value as 5,563.62. That is our final value of fair premium. Okay, this is how you all have to solve the sum based on fair premium. Okay, chalo, I hope everyone have understood that. Okay, this is the first part. We'll be uploading soon the second part also, where we'll be solving the remaining question which was asked in the paper. So I hope everyone have understood. With that, we will be ending this video here. Thank you.